Welcome to our channel. If you want to win free trial subscriptions and premium access through influencer giveaways, follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your chances of winning these promotional contests. Step 1. Follow influencers, content creators, and social media personalities in niches that align with your interests, as they regularly host giveaways sponsored by brands offering free trial subscriptions. Step 2. Enable post notifications for your favorite influencers so you're immediately alerted when they announce new giveaways with subscription prizes or free trial codes. Step 3. Monitor influencer posts on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter, where giveaway announcements are typically made with clear entry instructions in the caption or description. Step 4. Read the giveaway rules carefully to understand all entry requirements, which may include following accounts, liking posts, commenting, tagging friends, sharing content, or completing specific actions. Step 5. Complete all required entry steps exactly as specified to ensure your entry is valid. Missing even one requirement can disqualify your entry from the drawing. Step 6. For giveaways requiring comments, write genuine and thoughtful responses rather than generic comments, as some influencers select winners based partly on comment quality. Step 7. Keep track of when winners will be announced, as stated in the giveaway post. Winners are typically notified through direct messages or tagged-in follow-up posts. Step 8. If you win, respond promptly to the influencer's notification and follow their instructions to claim your free trial code or subscription access, which may involve providing your email address or completing a verification form. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.